couple things. One, the chili did not kill me and did not make me sick. And two, I have like the deal of a century for you, okay? I don't know if you've been watching in my stories, but right now through January 10th, you get to join for $9.99. What does that even mean? Here's what it means. You get everything 50% off. Yeah, 50% off. And do the math on 211 down to 75. That's more than 50% off. But you get 50% off. If you want to make money, we can talk about that in Messenger. But right now, I'm just talking to you guys who love a good deal because I'm the person who literally loves a good deal, okay? So, $75. What that entails is you need to join for $9.99. So, you guys, even with the $9.99, the tax and shipping, you're probably still under $100. I don't know what the tax rate is in your state, but you're still under $100 for everything that I'm going to show you, okay? Are you guys ready? First of all, you get this palette. It's called a Vivid palette. Now, sometimes it can be really scary and really bold and really fun. Hey, Diana! But it can also be very neutral. Today, I used this palette, okay? You guys, the colors in it are so fun. Today, I used this color, that color. Of course, I used some shimmer. And then I also used this liquid eyeshadow. It's so pretty, so pink, and it goes on so easily and minimal blending, so it's super simple. If you guys want me to show you a look tomorrow, just comment the color that you want me to do, and I will do a live tomorrow. I'm kind of going down to maybe 1 or 2 lives a week, and today is not a tutorial, so if you want tutorials, you gotta check my stories. But, you guys, this palette is so pretty. Like, look at that pink. I've done a green look before. I've done a blue look. I love that one. I just don't know what to do with it. I gotta play with this one more. But $75. You get this palette. You get the liquid eyeshadow to kind of go with it, to help accent it, to do all the things. You get the CC Cream Brightening. It can be used as a primer, but what it does is if you have some discoloration, you're kind of yellow, you just have that, like my eyelids are really, really dark. This is so perfect for that, okay? So perfect. You get my favorite beauty sponge, which I use like daily because I love it so much. You get the Time Locker Spray, which I use it before my makeup and after to just ensure it stays. Like, I'll put the primer on and then spray it, then do my foundation, and then spray it again at the end just to keep all my powders, all my eyeshadow, all the things just really, really in place. And you guys, it's amazing, okay? So you get those 5 things so far, and then you do get a liquid liner in dark brown. You get the Double Lash Extend Mascara, which really is probably my absolute favorite mascara because you can go really, really dramatic or just really, really everyday. Today, I just went really, really everyday, but it has the volume, okay? And then, if you hold that, you get length too. So you can kind of do, like on days that I just want really wispy long lashes, I do length only. Whenever I want a more dramatic look, I'll do volume and length, okay? So you kind of get to pick. And then you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lipsticks, okay? I'm going to show you the colors in the catalogs because some of these are the right colors and some of them are not. But, okay, you get, oh, well, actually, this one is the color that you get in the Nude Gloss. It's actually what I have on today. What I love most about this is it's not sticky. So you know how when your hair gets all stuck up all in your lip gloss, that's not really going to happen because it's not sticky. And it doesn't chap my lips, it doesn't dry out my lips. I love these nude lip glosses. They're so pretty. That's actually the color you get in it. With this one, you get Cool Beige. I couldn't find my Cool Beige. It's like a smidge lighter than this. It's really, really pretty, and it's gorgeous for any kind of like ombre lip looks, for sure. True color, you get Hot Cherry, okay? This is the color that you're getting in it. I did not have that color. I had a lighter color, but I'm not really a lipstick wearer, but they are really buttery smooth and soft, which I really do love a lot. And then you get, Barely There and Brave. So you guys, these colors can kind of be mixed and matched, but you get all of it for $75. So You do have to pay the $9.99 to join, and then you can do the $75 bundle that is $211, and you're getting all of this for less than $100, even with the sign-up fee. But it's only until January 10th, so don't miss out on that part. To keep your 50% discount, because you guys, you can add anything you want to this order and combine shipping. So if you want to add a foundation, you want to add a coffee, you want to add a hand cream, you want to add your makeup remover. I mean, like anything you want, you can add on for 50% off. But in order to keep that 50%, there is a requirement. You have to spend $125 every 6 months. Now, if you do not do that, you go to jail. No, I'm just kidding. Literally nothing happens. And the day you go inactive, the next day you can be like, oh crap, I forgot, I wanted this and I need my 50% off. You can just sign right back up. So there's like no harm in just kind of like working the system to get that discount. Not in my eyes anyway. So they wouldn't allow you to do it if they didn't want you to do it, is my idea. So 12 products for $75, and the sign-up fee is only $9.99 through January 10th. So you guys, you 100% need to do that. It's $9.99 to join. Yes, $9.99 to join, but only through January 10th. So after that, it goes up to $19.99, which isn't terrible. It isn't. But $9.99 is way better, because like yesterday I had a girl message me. She's like, hey, I wanted that moisturizer that you were talking about the other day, because you guys, if you were dry at all, if winter is being harsh to you at all, if you got COVID and your skin just completely dried out, you need these two products. Eye cream, moisturizer. They're so incredible. So she said, okay, well, how much is both, and then how much is just this? So I gave her the total, and then I was like, wait a minute. $9.99, she gets it all half off, right? I mean, like, yes, I lose my 50% commission, but I want what's best for you, right? So I was like, okay, girl, here's what you need to do. Get on the website, join for $9.99. You don't have to do anything else. And then add these two to your cart, anything else that you want, but add these two to your cart and look at that total. She was like, I just signed up and got my stuff half off. Like, that's how easy it is. Like, we don't have to overcomplicate this or make this difficult. Just get your moisturizers half off, you guys. And for real, like, it went, like, even with the $9.99, her cost was like so much lower than what I gave her for the retail price. You guys, it's an amazing deal. If you have questions, let me know. Otherwise, the website is always in my bio. In the link tree, just click the makeup one, join as a beauty influencer. It'll show $19.99, but once you get to the cart, it shows $9.99, and then anything else you want to add in there, once you get there, is also half off. So grab the chicory coffee. Grab the chicory and collagen coffee. You guys, that chicory and collagen coffee that's $30, I pay $15 for it. The chicory coffee that's $22, I pay $11 for it. You guys, anything. You guys, this is regularly $9.90. I pay $4.45 for my setting spray. And it works. Diana, you have to get on the website and sign up for you, and I will send you my sponsor code, Rebecca. But you guys, it's just such a good deal right now, because then you get everything 50% off. The brush sets, like all the skincare. Like right now, if you're not using skincare, your makeup is not going, I can't sell you a foundation that will change the look of your skin. Start with skincare, and if you're dry, that aqua line is mind-blowing. Okay, what time is it? Dryden's going to the car. I'm getting off here. I will message you guys shortly. I love you guys. Have an absolutely amazing day. Bye.